Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use OpenArt AI to create the visuals for a history channel on YouTube. So first of all, you need to come here on openart.ai and you need to basically create your free account here. Once you have done that, you need to select whether you want to directly create text to video or image to video or elements to video. You can also first of all generate the images and then you can use those images in your editing software in order to extract it in the form of video. So here, let's say we want to create the images first. So click on the option of create images. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply select that particular historic model which you want for your images. So if you click on the option of models, you will see a bunch of different characters that you can create over here. Now you need to just scroll down and select something that looks historic. So let's say I've selected this one. If your historical channel is relating to the Chinese theme, you can also click on the option of switch and you can just try to find the best historical model for your account. So let's say we have selected this one. Now in the prompt section, you need to give your prompt. So here you can type something like this realistic 2D illustration of this addressing Roman Senate. So you can type your prompt over here, then click on the option of create. Now you need to wait for some time until it gives you the response. You can select number of images per generation and it is also going to show you the number of credits required for each and every image. So here, as you can see over here, our first image is created successfully and it is looking very good. So here now, in order to download it, click on the option of download as and you can download it as JPG, PNG or SVG file. So this is how you can use OpenArt AI to create visuals for a history channel on YouTube. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.